Guys, it actually worked! I just got a bunch of Hello Kitty stuff from the Temu giveaway. If you haven't heard yet, Temu is running a huge giveaway right now, and all I had to do was use a code in their app. That's it. If you want your own Hello Kitty haul, here's what you need to do. First, hit that like button so you don't lose this video. Next, make sure you subscribe so the algorithm knows you're serious. Finally, download the Temu app and type this code into the search bar, exactly how you see it. Look at the adorable videos my subscribers sent me. No money spent, they're getting the cutest Hello Kitty items from Temu. This is legit, guys. Temu is seriously hooking people up, and it could be you if you follow these steps. But trust me, this won't last forever. Don't wait. Do it now before it's too late.